Out, players say the darndest things. It's time for mic check.
Will you high-five me? Or actually a handshake, a manly handshake. You lend your trust to me, my friend.
Alright, so today, the key to victory is always having a game plan. The key to having a beautiful game in general is always have a game plan.
They will go on me.
I'm moving.
I need to smite.
We can actually fight them.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be here. Do they have ult sums?
I think so. I ignite Dragas.
Okay,
There we go. He's stuck in the wall.
Nice.
Good job.
Okay, he TP'd there. We need to run, we need to run, we need to run. Can you get away?
He's too tanky.
Oh, nice. Go for it. You got to
Wait, mid.
I got movies.
Yeah,
We get mid.
I'm fine, I'm fine.
Woo! So good.
Take lead.
It does not change anything.
Oh, I don't have my pillow. Enough is you have pillow skill.
I get you a pillow.
How can I focus?
Oh, pillow. Thank you.
But if I did that, I brought like a lawn chair to LCS. Just put it down behind you guys for me to fix fans.
That'd be sick, dude.
We all carry in a sofa. A big ass sofa. That'd be dope.
Nice! Yasso! Triss no flash, Triss no flash. Triss no HP, Triss no HP. Can we Baron? Yeah, go Baron. Triss no HP. I'm trying to look for a shockwave on Victor. I'm on the way.
Nice.
Good guy.
Yeah, I can go on him.
Okay, let's go. Careful. Push down.
I'm almost there, dude.
Is it live still?
Just live still, yeah?
Steve! Steve! Steve!
Yeah. Nice.
Steve!
Just back. Oh, just back. Nexus. We got this.
Nice, man. I'm gonna die. Never end. Dangerous game. No end. Not dangerous. Good job. Push. End the game. Really good. No, we can't end. We can't end. We can end.
Yeah, your Mumu was on front page again. You did it.
Wait, is it front page?
Yeah, it is.
Nice.
They're like.
Hey, I said I would do some Mumu plays.
Killing at least.
I got sun. Oh my god, I died.
Sorry, Rush. Okay, got you.
I'm so sad.
I'm dead. GG. It's GG.
Rush. Server's dead. Ori's dead. Server already dead. You guys win this. I'm not getting you. Nice. Wait, stay and push. That's what I'm talking about.
You guys know it's one best of 5 and then worlds.
Yeah.
So you guys should better try hard.
Oh.
But don't worry guys, I got a big backpack with like Asi and Victor, you know?
Yeah. Thematic is bigger than X-Pack.
Fanatic.
X-Pack! They only have 1 more million followers than me on Facebook. But I have more than them on Twitter, so I got that going. Do you have flash?
No. I'll be dead.
Oh, no, keep running. Lantern. Power people is top. Victor's away. He's top. Victor's up there. We chase. Victor's up there. We chase Niels. OG Niels.
Let's make a story. We either go 2-0 here, so we reverse sweep them after going 0-1, or we let them go 2-0, so that we get so they reverse sweep us. You know? Something like that.
Their engage sucks. Their 5v5 engage sucks. It's
I
like
can jump at least too. I'm standing in front. Shen to push too. I'm going. Yeah. On the vein.
Shen.
On the vein.
Baby. Okay.
Push mid. Get in him.
You guys are dying. Careful. Nice. Gragas. Nice.
We made it to Worlds, boys.
We did it. Alright. I held my promise. I brought you to Worlds. You carried me.
All right. Well.